Today we'll show you how to build the Easy-Track root kit Andreastal step by step. The Easy-Track includes everything you need to get started building it right away. Detailed instructions in a guidebook, pre-cut tracks, stands for track routing, and 4 print sheets. The only 2 things you need are the tracks of the manufacturer of your choice and a base plate. Here you can see the numbers which help you to correctly align the print sheets on the base plate. Start with the number 1 in the top left corner and move on to the numbers 2, 3 and 4. Make sure that the sheets overlap so that the pale lines are not longer visible after the alignment. Now we fix the sheets with tape and secure it on the edges. Overhanging paper gets cut off. After correctly putting the tracks on a plate, label them and the print sheets with consecutive numbers. This will help us later to position the tracks back in the right place. Now collect the tracks again and put them aside for now. Before we start screwing the plates, look out for base plate 4104 as it is slightly higher and therefore should be screwed on first. Following on that, we need to secure all base plates and fix them. Pre-drill holes for the base plates with a 1 mm drill bit. These designated drilling sites are marked on the template. Fasten the base plate with the screws supplied. Now assemble all pillar variants as described in the assembly instructions of the guidebook. You can glue the individual elements, but this is not mandatory. Either way, you must not glue the movable rocker at the top of the pillar. Label the individual pillars with the respective variant number. You can find this number in the assembly instructions. The labeling makes it easier for us to place the pillars on the correct base plate later. Now put them on the corresponding base plates and pay attention to the flexible rocker. This must always be movable in the direction of the path. Now, lay out the paths and check the course of the paths. Lay out the paths in such a way that there are always 2 tracks laying on one flexible rocker. It works best to glue the movable rocker and the wooden track together using a hot glue gun. Follow the course of the track and glue all the tracks. After all tracks are fixed, the train tracks of the manufacturer of your choice can be applied. Put them together and fix them with jack screws. Now we're almost done. Carefully remove the 4 fixed print sheets. Use a cutter to cut free all the pillars. This will make it easier to remove the print sheets from the plate. Once the print sheets are removed, we successfully build the Easy-Track kit Andreastal.